Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is servant leadership. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management and you want to learn that how you can manage the software projects using Scrum and Agile methodologies. So this is a very interesting topic for you. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. So friends, servant leadership is a management style in which you lead by putting the needs of your team first. Servant leaders believe that when their team members feel personally and professionally fulfilled, they produce higher quality work more efficiently and productively. Employee satisfaction and collaboration are important concepts in servant leadership. You can use this leadership style in any type of business, but it is particularly popular within a non-profit organization. Servant leadership is important in business because it creates a work environment in which employees at all levels of your organization feel respected, appreciated, and valued. Businesses that follow a servant leadership philosophy tend to have stronger work cultures with higher employee morale and engagement. So, first of all, we shall discuss the principles of servant leadership. Listening. Effective servant leaders don't just speak but listen to what their teams has to say. They give ample opportunity for all members of the team to be heard and listen carefully to both what is being said and potentially what is not being said. By gathering observations and insight from all team members, you can understand your opportunities for growth. Empathy. Effective servant leaders care about their team on a personal level. They understand that when their team feels happy and fulfilled in their personal lives, it contributes to success in their professional life. Because of this, servant leaders make it a priority to show team members they care about them personally and try to help them with personal issues when they can. Healing. Effective servant leaders understand the importance of fixing previous problems before being able to move on to new goals and projects. For example, your team may have suffered a setback last quarter due to a team disagreement. To be able to face the new challenges of this quarter, the teams needs to able to heal and come to an agreement first. Awareness. Effective servant leaders are aware of themselves and their teams. It's being self aware. You need to be able to accept and grow from your own weaknesses. Just as important is that you, as the leader, be aware of your team's individual strengths and weaknesses to help them grow and learn. Persuasion. Effective servant leaders guide and pursue team members, where an authoritarian leader might tell team members what to do. A servant leader tells them why it's the best method or process. They seek to convince the team as a whole and build a consensus. Conceptualization. Effective servant leaders can think beyond small talks and communicate larger goals and why they are important to their teams. Foresight. Effective servant leaders understand the importance of learning from past mistakes and successes and using lessons learned to productively evaluate present decisions. They help their team to do the same. Stewardship. Effective servant leaders acknowledge and understand the importance of their responsibilities. They protect and uphold the trust and confidence given them in their role and communicate this to their team. As a steward of your company assets and goals, you work hard, arrive on time, and you are dependable. Commitment to the growth of people. Effective servant leaders motivate their teams to grow. They are committed to helping their teams develop professionally. Servant leaders help their team members become leaders themselves by leading by example and providing their team with opportunities to grow and develop. Building community. Effective servant leaders encourage collaboration and engagement. Servant leaders value the opinions of everyone on their team and encourage them to share those opinions and to actively contribute to the team regularly. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.